This should be an eye-opener for all of us. This incident, this single incident has brought untold shame to the football lovers everywhere, particularly those in Kolkata. There should be standard operating procedure for such congregation management in future. Because when a private party is allowed to commercialize sports and make money, public should not be the sufferers. There are larger issues of administration governance involved in that. And also the fundamental rights and the human rights of the people are involved in that. I see it from a larger perspective. My report, after discussing with some of the victims, will be submitted to the all concerned authorities. And I don't want to reveal the content right now, but my report is almost ready. After the mark of this field visit, I will submit my report.
Sir, the board of local police as well as the ministers who were around during the investigation.
Can you please elaborate what should be done by the sports minister?
You see, the steps to be taken. Number one, a judicial inquiry into the matter. This I had pointed out immediately after the incident took place. Number two, arrest of the organizers, not the organizers. Number three, refund the ticket money paid by the public. Number four, immediately freeze the account of the organizer. Number five, there should be, that is for the future, there should be a standard operating procedure for congregation management in every city, particularly in Kolkata. Then there should also be an insurance scheme where the spectators should be insured, the premium to be paid by the organizer. There are 12 points which I suggested to government, and these aspects are to be taken into account for the future. There are certain, remedial measures, short-term measures, long-term measures. All these have been elaborated in detail and given to the government as a directive from the Lok Bhavan. I will also be submitting my report containing detailed recommendations to the Government of India as well, and also to the sports authorities concerned.
So being a Kerala, you always chant Bangar Mati, Bangar Chor, but when the South Indian states, Telangana, organizes successfully, we baffle. What's your take on regarding this matter?
See, I do not want to bring in any sectarianism or provincialism or politics into this, so I refuse to comment on that. Okay.
Sir, you were invited. You are too invited too. Sir, the fans were very disheartened. What's your experience? What's your own experience?
The question about invitation, I didn't get it clear. Now, what was the question?
I'm talking about the invitation. You were also invited in this program, the same program.
I was not invited.
You were not invited in this
No.
program?
But I have no complaints about that. No need to invite me.
Sir, the prime organizer of this program, Shatadru, has been given 14-day police custody. You had demanded for an arrest. Now, what do you have to say with the 14-day police custody?
See, the arrest has been made. Then the process has to take place. As governor, I will not get involved in the process of law. Let the law take its own course.
Sir, have you met with the investigation team?
Yes, informally.
Have you spoken to them, sir? Any team member?
Pardon?
Anything that you can share with the conversation with the investigating team or any secretary that you have made?
I had an informal discussion with all the members. Let them take their own independent decision in the matter.
এবিপি আনন্দ এগিয়ে থাকে এগিয়ে রাখে।